Hey creator, it's your team NOVL, and we're giving you 30 days of bite-sized tutorials packed with insider insight so you can learn how to use Shopify to host your content, monetize, and engage your audience like a pro.
Today we're diving into how you can grow and manage your team with Shopify using Staff and Collaborator accounts. Whether you're a team of 2 or 50, Shopify makes it easy to grow your business and work with a mix of people, from freelance writers to accountants. The key is knowing when to use staff versus collaborator accounts and what permissions to assign to ensure your admin stays secure while unlocking only the parts your team needs to do their job. All right, let's get into it and start with staff accounts. Go to Settings, and then click Users and Permissions. Staff accounts are perfect for people who need ongoing, day-to-day access to your store. Think about your full-time employees like your marketing manager, customer support reps, or social media intern. Let's add a new member together. Click Add Staff, and then fill in their first and last name along with an email address. With permissions, you have granular control over your admin. You can assign a member full admin access by selecting all permissions or limit access to certain areas. Since we're adding a writer to help with our blog content, they don't need access to your theme or products, so we'll assign them to only the areas they need. Go to Online Store and check blog posts and pages. Files will also auto-check to ensure that they can add and manage images. And let's also check Home so that they have a place to start from and receive relevant updates. We don't need to enable app permissions as there are no apps that are relevant to writing blog posts, so we can move along. Since this member is not in store, they don't need access to point of sale. And all right, let's click Send Invite, and your team member will receive an email with instructions to accept the invite. Once your writer logs in their admin, it'll look like this. Notice how they have limited access to only the home, blog post, and pages that we assigned? If we try to access something outside where they have permission, then they'll get a request access prompt. Back in your admin, you can see the last login and easily update their permissions, change their info, or remove access at any time. Next, let's talk about collaborator accounts. They're perfect if you're working with a professional on a project basis and they only need access for a limited time. Collaborator accounts don't count towards your staff user limit, which can save you money when choosing a plan. And if you're on the basic or starter plan, collaborator accounts are the only way to add team members, as staff accounts are not included. Unlike staff accounts, collaborators must send a request to access your store. They'll need to have your store URL, request code, areas of the admin they need access to, and they must have a Shopify partner account. When a collaborator request is sent, you'll receive an email and a notification in your Shopify admin informing you to approve or deny the request. While in the Users and Permissions section, you'll see the request under Pending Accounts. Click on it, review the permissions they've requested, and approve the request if everything looks good. You can update user information, permissions, and revoke access at any time. Managing your team on Shopify doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you're building a full-time team with staff accounts or working with outside experts using collaborator accounts, Shopify makes it easy to grow your team while making sure your admin is secure.
Well, that's a wrap. We hope you learned some things, and if you got questions, drop them in the comments. Until tomorrow, be NOVL.